Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll tell you how to watch F1 or Formula 1 for free. If you want to watch Formula 1 for free in 2026 legally, this video will show you the easiest ways to do it. No piracy, no risky websites, just legit options. Step 1. Free trials. The easiest method is using free trials. Platforms like F1 TV sometimes offer free trials depending on your region. Also, streaming services that carry Formula 1, like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV, often have trial periods. Sign up, watch the race, and cancel before you get it charged. Step 2. Free to air channels. Some countries broadcast F1 races for free on TV. For example, in the UK, Channel 4 shows highlights and sometimes live races. In other regions, local sports channels may air races for free. You can access these through their official websites or apps if available in your regions. Step 3. Official highlights. If you are okay with not watching live, this is the easiest free option. The official Formula 1 YouTube channel. It posts its races highlights, full race replays, sometimes delayed, qualifying summaries. Completely free and 100% legal. Step 4. Promotions and limited free events. Sometimes Formula 1 Group runs promotions where certain races are free to stream. This doesn't happen every race, but it is worth checking during big events like season openers or finals. Important tip: avoid illegal streaming sites. They are risky, low quality, and can get you in trouble. Stick to official platforms for the best experience. So, yeah, the best legal ways to watch F1 for free in 2026 are free trials, free TV channels, official highlights. Now I'll tell you one more thing that you can actually use in order to watch Formula 1 for free. Now, another solution or another tip that you can actually try is to simply go to your Google or any browser that you have, then Google Formula 1 live broadcasters. Then you want to go and click on Wikipedia option. Then you want to scroll down till you find here that we have these two options that actually provide the streams for free. So here I'm gonna go and click on this option, Service TV. I'm gonna go to their website. Then I'm gonna go and open it. Then I'm gonna go and click on Sport. But keep in mind that this website is in German, so you have to translate it into English first in order to understand all about the different sports right here. So here you can go to Motorsport, then go and choose Formula 1, and now you will be able to see the Formula 1 live. Just click on any one of them and it will show you here the stream. But in order to remove any displaying message right here telling you that you are not in Austria or something like that, you can simply use a VPN and turn the VPN on in Austria, and you will be able to see the stream without any interruptions. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.